In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage project members in Asana using the Share Panel drop-down arrow. Think of this as your control center for who's on a project and what they're notified about using the current Asana interface. First, open the project you want to manage. In the left sidebar, click the project name to load its main view. If you don't see the project, make sure you're in the correct team or have access. You'll need the right permissions to add or remove people, so if options are grayed out, check with your project owner or admin. Now head to the top right corner and click the Share button. This opens the Share panel. Here you'll see the Invite with Email field, the Add Members by Name or Email option, and a list of current members. The email field is best when you know someone's exact address, while the name or email field helps you find teammates already in your organization. To add members, type the person's email in Invite with Email, or use Add Members by Name or Email to search and select them. Then press Enter or click Add. As soon as you do, they're added to the project and will appear in the members list. Quick tip: if you see multiple matches, double-check you're selecting the right person before you confirm, so updates go to the intended teammate. Next, let's manage notifications. Inside the Share panel, you'll find a checkbox labeled Notify when tasks are added to the project. Toggle this on if you want members to be alerted whenever new tasks are created in this project, or turn it off to reduce inbox noise. This is especially helpful for large projects with frequent task creation. Remember, individuals can still fine-tune their own notification settings later. If you need to remove someone, look in the members list within the Share panel. Find the person's name, click the small arrow down next to it, and choose Remove from Project. You'll be asked to confirm. Once confirmed, that person is removed from this project only. Their account remains active elsewhere, and they'll still have access to other projects they belong to. And that's all there is to it. Using the Share panel and its drop-down arrow, you can quickly add the right people, fine-tune notifications, and remove access when it's no longer needed. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.